So here we have a piece of broken plastic, and we will try to fix this because we are too cheap to buy a new one. So we will try to weld this broken part. Here is one more. Okay, so let's take a machine and filler and start doing. This is very good Russian machine. Here is heating element, and down there, please record this. This is a ventilator that propels air to this gun, and out of this nozzle comes very hot air, and with this we can melt plastic. If you don't have this, you can try to use a torch and a little bit of imagination, or you can also use hot air gun like this. It's very cheap, like for $20, and it's great. And for filler we will use this plastic wire. First we will use the blower and heat up the plastic, and then we will slowly melt in the plastic. And we will also help with the metal bar to do this, to flatten out the metal. First we will do tack weld. We slowly melt plastic. Then you have to wear the inner side too. So this is finished product. This is very stiff. If you can see, it's reinforced. It's even better than this here. It's very good.